How to unblock someone on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To unblock someone on your TikTok, you can head over and check out your TikTok application in your device. Now over here at the bottom, you will see the profile icon. Tap on the given profile icon. From here, navigate to the three horizontal line that is at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Now over here you will find the option of blocked accounts under the option of privacy. So tap on the privacy option. Scroll down in the under action section until you see the option of blocked account. Here you can check out all the accounts that you have blocked on your TikTok. Now to unblock the user, just tap on the unblock account. Then just like that, you have successfully unblocked the person in your TikTok. If you wish to block again, you can just tap on the block option, or you can visit the profile and block it through there as well. For some reason, if you cannot perform this step, press and hold onto your application, then head over to App Info. From here, you need to tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache, which will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. So this is all for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.